Hi folks, this is Max from HTC evalhacks.com. There's this Flash Image GUI Flash Image app. I guess it's been around. Sorry, but this allows you to install ROMs and kernels even if you're on HBOOT 1.50. So first, download flashimagegui.apk and copy it over to your HTC Evo 3D. And also download the ROM zip file and copy it over somewhere in your SD card or internal storage. I'm gonna install actually this ROM called ICS Sense, which comes with Android 4.0.3 and Sense 3.6. But you can do it for any phone. I'm just gonna walk you through how to use it. So get the ES File Explorer, or whatever file browser you want to use. And then go find the APK file you downloaded, the flash image. I just put it in my here we go. I just put it in my root directory. So flashimagegui.apk, and whenever you switch ROMs, you can just install it again using your file explorer, or you can use Titanium Backup to back up your app. You can also get it on market if you want to show your appreciation to the creator. I'll have links also to under credits, and or you can buy this app, Flash Image GUI, on the market if you want to help them. I think it's only $1, so definitely worth it. And then open, and you probably need a rooted phone. All right, agree. Allow. So if you don't have your phone rooted, obviously you should root it first. Internal memory unlock. HTC unlocks. Okay, say yes. So let's go browse. So it allows you to flash the kernel, and most ROMs come with its own kernels. And if it's not a stock kernel, you're gonna end up in a boot loop if you try to use just the stock recovery, or you have to launch recovery from Fastboot. But this way you can flash the kernel, and then you can enter the recovery itself and flash the ROM itself. So let's go find the file. I put it under download directory. Alright, and I'm gonna install my the kernel off this ROM zip file. So click there. Say yes. And it's gonna extract the kernel, I believe, and should take not too long. And where's my duck? Hey, what's on? What's wrong? You go out? You go outside? Sorry, I'm talking to my dog here. You wanna go outside? You wanna go poopy? No? Yes? No, he's not telling me anything. So this should take a little bit. I'll be back when this is done. Maybe I should take the dog out. So it's all ready. Make sure when you flash the kernel, and if you don't flash the ROM right away, you might end up in a boot loop. So make sure you do that. Well, I'll walk you through. So I'm gonna flash the image. All right. Yes. So this will basically flash the kernel, and then you can boot into your recovery, whatever recovery you have. It can be twerp or whatever, because this way you don't have to. Okay, reboot, and choose recovery reboot, and then you have to flash actually the ROM, and it won't flash the kernel unless you have HBOOT 1. Less than 1.50. So it's gonna boot into I think my twerp. I'm not sure what I installed last time, but whatever you have, you have to have a recovery. So I have the twerp recovery, and from here I just gotta install my ROM again, and that's the ICS Sense exe.zip, that one. All right, and basically this will flash everything except the kernel. Because on HBOOT 1.50 you can't flash kernels, unless you boot twerp recovery or whatever recovery from Fastboot, which I have been doing, but this is simpler. This way I don't even have to have my computer with me. This is cool. So it's almost done. I'll be back when this is done. Alright folks, so it's done. I'm gonna reboot system now, and we should have a new ROM with kernel. So this way you can install it without using your computer. Pretty simple, huh? It's thanks to YouTube user Nuna Ribi Oyan, who helped me get this. He suggested this. Anyway, thanks to Nuna Ribi Oyan. Alright, so should have everything working here. It comes with Beats audio, obviously. This is kind of cool. And I'll have a review of this ROM also as soon as I'm done with this video and upload it to YouTube. So I'll be back when this completely reboots. So it's success since I've upgraded from a gingerbread to what is it? Android 4.0.3 ice cream sandwich. It should if it boots and you get this Android upgrading sign, that means kernel flashing worked and the ROM was successfully flashed. So you can throw your computer away now and use this flash image GUI application to flash ROMs. So that's pretty much it. But I'll show you that it booted up after this. Hi folks, so I've successfully installed a new ROM, and let's go look at settings, about phone, software information. I'm on Android 4.0.3, Sense version 3.6, that's what I should be getting, and I have a ICS kernel. So that's how you install new ROMs on the and kernels on the HTC Evo 3D. Now, I think this is the best one. Alright, see y'all later. Thanks, subscribe. Oh, and hit that like button for me. Thanks y'all. Alright.